I always store my hoses, gauges, recovery, and vacuum pump. I always store the hoses after I put them back on the manifold. I break this connection on all of them. Loosen this up so you can allow the gases to come out of the hoses and will not pressurize the regulator. So I keep everything open. I store my recovery machine in the open position, and I keep my vacuum pump in the open position. Because again, that allows the gases to escape and not build up in this hot truck and spring the regulators. So that's how I store mine. You guys tell me how you store your gear.